Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a website on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I've gone to wix.com, and this is the page that I go to. Now, once you're at this page, what you're going to click is just click on Get Started, and once you've done that, you need to sign up. You can continue with Google or Facebook, or you can make an entirely new account. I'll just continue with one of my Google accounts, for example, this one, and I'll just click continue. And now that I'm logged in with this account, as you can see, it's gonna, well, first of all, get me to this. I'll just skip all of these sections. This is just a questionnaire so that they can help you build a site easier. I will set up without AI chat, however you can use it if you want, and I'll just skip this step as well. This is just pretty much tailoring your site depending on your answers. Will give you a template that works for you. But once you enter all of that, you're going to be brought to your dashboard, which is where you're going to be making all of your setups and everything. And as you can see, you can connect to a custom domain. You should, however, that you need to pay for. And I'll be just designing my site right over here to show you how it's done. Now, as you can see, you can generate a design with AI, or I'll pick a template. And once you pick a template, you can pick whichever template you want. For example, I'll pick, I don't know, this one. Just click edit, since it says it's the best match, but that's only because I didn't give any answers whatsoever. Excuse me for my screen going black. That happens for me for some reason. It's not exclusive to Wix. It's something to do with Chrome. It just decided to bug out for some reason. But as you can see, now that I've clicked edit, it's taken me to my website editor, and here you can make any changes to your website that you would want. You can add any elements you would like. You can add any sort of changes, new pages, etc., etc. And it already will show you exactly what these buttons to the left do. They'll again offer you AI. I don't like to use it, so that's it. But yeah, as you can see, you can add elements, sections, pages, you can edit the site design, you can add apps, you can add your business, media, and CMS. But as you can see, this is what it looks like, or at least this is what the home page or landing page looks like. If I click on the page here in the top left, you have all of these options which you can go to. As you can see, you have all of these pre-made pages, which are already in this template, so you can pick and choose whichever you would like. You can remove the ones you don't. You can add even more if you would like. For example, if I go to add to the pages in menu, I can very easily just add a menu item, click a new page, and as you can see, I can add whichever page I would like. For example, let's add this one, add a page, and I'll just name it new page. It's preparing content, and as you can see, once that's done, this is exactly what it's going to look like. And yeah, that is pretty much the basics of how you start creating your Wix website. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.